It's interesting times, unprecedented times. And there are 3 things you need to know if you're afraid or struggling that the next few months you won't be able to make your house payment. Number 1, take a deep breath. This is something that wasn't caused by you, it is just happening to our entire country. And the government and financial institutions are aware of that. One of the biggest myths out there is that the banks want to foreclose on you. They do not want to foreclose on you. You are paying that mortgage. You have been a great mortgagee and they want to work with you. So just take a deep breath and ignore the siren outside. But that panic that's rising up inside, just settle it down because we are all gonna get through this together. Number 1, don't just miss the payment. If you're afraid that you can't make the payment, give the bank a phone call. So whoever you write that mortgage check to every month, find their 1-800 number and call them or go online. They're already beginning to set up online programs and information to help you understand what can be done. Fannie and Freddie have already come out and said that they are going to do deferments or forbearances for up to 12 months. That means that they may even be willing to stop your payments for 12 months. So let's say you have a 30-year mortgage. What does that look like? It may mean that you skip some payments and you have a 31-year mortgage. So if your mortgage was supposed to end in the year 2050, it'll end in the year 2051. Or whenever you pay it off, you'll just make up those missed payments. But the first thing you do is you call. You do not just skip payments. You get on the phone with somebody, you tell them your situation, and together you make a plan with that lender. The second thing you do is you make a plan with them and you get it in writing. So if they say that you don't have to make payments for 3 months, for 6 months, or maybe they help you set up a payment plan where it's a lower amount. Everything and anything you do, have them send it to you via email or snail mail. You want to have it in writing so that you are clear on what's happening and you can go back later and say, this was the original terms and this is what I have lived up to. The third thing that you want to make sure you do is ask how they're going to report it to the credit bureau. Are they going to report it at all? Right now, most of them are saying that maybe necessarily they won't, as long as a plan is made and the plan is executed, meaning whatever the mortgage lender works out with you, if you follow their plan, then they're going to be okay with it. But you just want to know, is this going to affect my credit? It's okay if it is. It's okay if you keep your house and this affects your credit a little bit, but just make a decision with all the facts. Take a deep breath and know that you're going to get through this. If you have questions, please reach out to the Connect Home team. We would love to answer your questions, help you walk through this. If you don't want to call a 1-800 number and you want to talk to a local lender here, we've got excellent local lenders who would be willing to help explain some terms and go over your options with you. I'm Sarah Neal with the Metro Brokers Connect Home team, and we are here for you at any time, especially in this crisis. Have a blessed day.